Welcome to day 3 of making the homemade rally track. Today I'm planning to clear some of the plants from the middle and finish cleaning all the plants from the track. Yesterday I only did half the track because of poison ivy, but today I'm planning to do all of it. And I'm also going to clean up all the leaves and sticks that fell on overnight. Right now I'm about to fill up this bucket of dirt with water to make more of the mud. I filled the bucket up and I'm about to go fill in all the holes. I don't know how much longer I can be outside here because I just heard thunder. Filled up a bunch of holes, but the wind is picking up and I hear thunder closer and closer, so I'll have to be quick. The thunder got pretty bad. It's starting to rain a little bit and the wind is picking up and the sky got way darker. So I'm just gonna real quickly water the track one last time. If the rain goes away, I'm gonna finish taking all the sticks away, and if it doesn't, I'm going inside waiting until the rain stops and coming back. The rain got pretty bad, so I went inside, and I'm gonna come outside when it stops raining, which is gonna be probably in an hour.